gonna show you step by step how you can start YouTube automation business for beginners who want to start faceless YouTube channels without showing your face and without using your voice. Step by step, I will make this video super easy for you guys because I already have a YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel, and I'm gonna share with you my method that I use to make faceless YouTube videos with $0 just by using free AI tools. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, in the last 19 days I made $4,858 just from faceless YouTube videos. Okay, and as you can see, that's how much I make per day: $36, sometimes even $203. As you can see, $133, and even sometime $434. Okay, that's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel. You can make a lot of videos from YouTube without showing your face and without using your voice. Okay, so let's get started. So first is you need to choose specific and trending topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so how you can find trending and interesting topics? What you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so go to your YouTube homepage and use YouTube search. That's what I did. I use YouTube search to find topics that people are searching for. Okay, so I will click on the YouTube search, for example, and I will ask questions. So for example, I will ask what will happen if you stop, for example, if you stop, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. As you can see, YouTube give you those topics because people are searching for those topics already. Okay, people are searching for how to what will happen if you stop eating sugar, what will happen if you stop smoking. like this one on Canva. It's really easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, click over here on video. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, then click over here on upload. Okay, like this. Click on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover. Okay, so I will upload my voiceover over.
So, you've decided.
This is my voiceover. Click on open, and here you go. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover, and your voiceover will be under this page. Click over here on add page, like this. Okay, like this. Then click over here on go to the first page, click between those two pages, and click on add transition. Okay, like this. Choose which transition you want to add between your videos. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Make it to 0.3. Click on apply between our page, and here you go. What you need to do now is you need to click on elements. Okay, it's easy and simple to make faceless YouTube videos. Okay, click on elements, search for smoking. Okay, for example, smoking. Okay, click on videos, and you will find a lot of videos here about smoking. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, let's choose this one. Click on the first video. So for example, I want to use this one in the first of my video. Click on the video. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set video as background. Okay, like this. Make it short, just to 3 seconds. Click on the next page and add more videos about smoking. Okay, keep using this method like this. It's easy. Make the video short to make your videos engaging, and add different videos about smoking. You will find videos, upload videos to your YouTube channel, start uploading, be consistent, and be patient, because YouTube need time. Also, if you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go to a freelance website like Upwork or Fiverr, search for voiceovers there and hire a voiceover. You can pay like $5 on, or maybe $10 per script. They will record your script and you can use it on your video. Okay, That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be download to your laptop. Then you can start uploading more videos like this, and that's it. It's easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes to make like those videos. Those videos are already profitable because people are searching for those videos. If you make those videos, if you use this method and use YouTube search to find trending and interesting topics, you can get views from YouTube search and start growing your YouTube channel. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.